is pleased to offer multiple air suspension repair and replacement options for 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500 DS chassis with air suspension. Arnott has designed a completely new aftermarket front strut for the 1500, which includes a premium Eibach shock that offers outstanding ride quality along with the luxury and load leveling of air suspension. In this video, we show how to install the Arnott-designed new front air strut AS-3017 for the Ram 1500. OEM strut removal. Removal step 1. Prepping for removal. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal step 3. Removing the OEM air strut. Loosen and remove the tie rod end nut. Loosen and remove the 2 sway bar end link nuts. Loosen and remove the upper control arm nut. Loosen and remove the nut and bolt from the bottom strut fork. Loosen and remove the air fitting from the top of the strut. Loosen and remove the 3 top strut mounting nuts. Remove the strut. Removal complete. Arnott air strut installation. Install step 1. Air fitting installation. Remove the black shipping plug from the check valve. Insert the Voss fitting with the attached angled air fitting, making sure it is properly seated, and tighten to 2 Newton meters. Install step 2. Air strut installation. Install the new strut into the vehicle. Reinstall the strut's bottom nut and bolt and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Install the 3 top strut mounting nuts and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Install the air line into the angled air fitting until fully seated, pulling outward slightly to confirm engagement. Install the upper control arm nut and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Reinstall and tighten the 2 sway bar end link nuts to manufacturer specifications. Reinstall the tie rod end nut and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Install step 3. Wheel installation. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer specifications. Install step 3. Finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Install step 4. Testing. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this install, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.